Meprolight, the prominent and largest manufacturer of self-illuminated aiming solutions, offers the largest selection of self-illuminated sights for firearm manufacturers, military, law enforcement, and self-defense clients. Over 10 million sets of tritium sights sold. No battery nor switches. Once installed, you are ready. Meprolight Self-Illuminated iron sights utilize patented TRU-DOT, creating the brightest aiming dots on today's market. The sights are easily installed onto the pistol's original dovetail. The fixed sights easily replace the factory sights and provide clear and easy aiming, day or night. Meprolight offers a variety of suppressor height sights. The Mepro adjustable sights are especially developed for savvy users who seek better zeroing accuracy. Meprolight's Mepro Self-Illuminated pistol sights. Always ready, always on. It's all in the dot. Meprolight. Everything you aim for.